Okay, this is our multi-line sachet packing machine, full-size sealing multi-line sachet packing machine, which is finished production. Let us show how check how it runs. Okay. Start running. This is a single piece, single cutting. This is a single cutting. And you see, this two side has an easy open line. Let's open it. Let's open it. It's very easy to open it. Okay. And it comes out with come here. We set it 5 hits. We set it 5 hits now. Okay. Then we will see how many pieces. This is 5 pieces. This is 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Then let us have a check. It is easy to pick up one by one. Easy to pick up one by one. Okay. And then let us have a check. Okay. You could see this is square seating. And each one has easy tear line. Each one with an easy tear line. It's very easy to open it. Very easy. Okay. And let us do how a check. This is the cutting screen. Video cutting screen. The PLC is here. One is the PLC is mid-cubic. It's mid-cubic PLC, and the cutting screen is Let us here. This is the film grinding. This is the grinding. You see, film grinding. And you see here, this is with the photo cell sensor. This part is with the photo cell sensor here. To have the eye mark with the pre-printed film. And let us see the back side. This is the vacuum. This is the vacuum unloading tank to upload the powder out of the brand new powder from the holding tank. Okay, and then this one, this is the dust cleaner. This is the dust cleaner. Dust cleaner to clean the dust from the sachet sealing. This is the dust cleaner. Okay, these file packs. These file 1, 2, 3, 4 files. So that's the cleaning. Okay, and this one is vacuum controller.